Yo. This is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help all struggling traders outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. So in this video, I'm going to give you a full new volatility 75 index trading strategy. This strategy is good for scalpers and is also good for swing trading. So let's dive in now. So come down. You can see this is a strategy. This is a strategy that I was able to graph an entry trigger exactly at this level. You can see, let's use 30 minutes chart, M30. You can see this is the entry level. Let me show you. This was our entry level. This was exactly our entry level. This is our entry level. We modified some profits and we are still allowing this one to run, and we are currently running a profit of $2,487.95 currently on this trading account. So welcome back again to another series of this away some free strategy. It's a free strategy dedicated to any trader that want to make money consistently in this 2023. So you can see the strategy is designed to trade with 5-minute strategy. You can see it's a 5-minute scalping strategy, and it's very good for scalpers and it's also good for swing trading. So let's dive in now. So you can see. I think let me first of all give you the settings of this awesome strategy, and later on I'm going to give you the full conditions for this awesome volatility 75 index 5-minute scalping strategy. So let me give you the settings. On the main window indicator, we have moving average, period 21 shifts 2 method exponential applied weighted close HLCC/4, and levels, no levels, and style green. So that is it for the first moving average on the main window indicator. You can screenshot it so that you can be able to have the settings full. And the second window indicator, which is window indicator 1, we have moving average, we have average true range, we have alligator, and we have relative strength index. So for the moving average, we have period 50 shift 2 method exponential applied to weighted close HLCC/4, no level, style red. So that's it. For average true range, we have period 14, levels, no levels, style red. You can screenshot it so that you can be able to have these settings intact. So for the alligator, we have just period 13, teeth period 8, lips period 5, just shift 8, teeth shift 5, lips shift 3, method smooth, median, price HL2, not HL2, weighted close HLCC/4. Change this, apply to weighted close HLCC/4. And that's just it. You can screenshot it so that I can be able to have the full settings intact. So you can see here are the full settings intact. On the main chart, we have moving average. On the window indicator 1, we have moving average, average true range, alligator, and relative strength index. Here are the volatility 75 index 5-minute scalping strategy settings. Here are the settings. You can screenshot them. So if you set up these settings like this, I'm very sure you should be able to have something like this. See, you should be able to have something like this. So let me bring out my pointer so that I'm going to show you some guidelines on some conditions about the strategy. So you can see. So the first condition I want you to consider when trading with this strategy is, number one, you need to use the initial. You see, this is the last zoom level. You cannot zoom. You can, if you decide, you can zoom out once, twice, second zoom level. But me, sometimes I like to use this one, or I'll even use the last one. Any one you use is the same thing. You can use this zoom level, you can use the first zoom level, you can also use the second zoom level, which is this one. Any one you use is very, very, very good and okay for you to use. So this is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. So let's dive in now. So if you are, let me use the last zoom. Okay, let me use the last zoom level. So if you are using the last zoom level, number one condition you need to take before you take any signal, make sure you validate your entry on the 30 minutes chart, because you need to validate your entry. You need to identify the trend and how the trend is moving on your 30-minute chart. So let's go down to 30 minutes chart. You can see, let me give you an instance with this trade we take. You see, this is a 30 minutes chart. We identify a serious double top here. Sorry, for those that know what it means by double top is just a scenario where you will have two tops on the market that price were unable to break above those two tops. Let me give you an instance here. This is a first top, second top. This is the second top. So this is it. So this is the second top, first top, second top. And finally it breaks what? It breaks its neckline. This is the neckline. And this is where our entry point is. And the market, immediately market breaks this candlestick and close below it. Then you just go down to your 5-minute chart. That's what you just need to validate your entry. You have already confirmed a double top scenario or double bottom in the case of downtrend, and you have identified that a bearish candle has closed below the 21 moving average on the main chart, which is this green moving average. You can see it here. Look at it. These are the settings for the moving average. You can also screenshot it for easy access. So if you just get that, all you need to do, come down to 5 minutes chart, use the last zoom level. You can use the first or second, but in my own case, I will use the last zoom level. I'll use the last zoom level. That's my own case. So let's go down. Let me give you the two conditions you need to take your entry. So these are the level I have taken. This is the level I have circled. And you can see, this is where we get our entry. You can see, this is where we get our entry. You can see, it's an area we get our entry from. This is it. So you see, this is a confirmation. And so when you come down to here, what you need to understand, from this level, you have a static resistance. You have a static resistance here. That's why the price started pushing down lower. So we'll use this static resistance as a reference resistance in such a way that the price continued to come down lower. So we enter the second wave, which is exactly, this is where the moving average, this is where this confirmation from this ATR is. If you see this red line you are seeing in this chart is the ATR indicator, average true range. It's used to measure the market volatility in the market. An average true range is an indicator that is used to measure the market volatility in the market. And we are trading volatility 75 index, and that's why we are using this, our away sum indicator. So we also have the moving average here and the alligator. So what you just need to consider, look at it here. Both the alligator, the average true range, and any other thing is facing downwards, indicating downtrend. I will already confirm our entry trigger here. So just take your trade. The same thing apply somewhere here. You can see from here, this is another confirmation. You just get your validate entry on 30 minutes chart, and you see your average trend is heading downward sharp at this area. This is what overbought and this is oversold. So whenever your average trend is at the overbought area, that's to tell you that market is trying to change from a high volatility to a low volatility. That's from a uptrend to a downtrend, or from a low volatility to a high volatility. That's from downtrend to uptrend. Those are the two likely scenarios you need to understand and you need to have as a boom and crash beginner trader. Nice to have you now. And these are the other. Let me give you some other. You see, this is another entry level. Look at it here. Very, very nice entry level. You have gotten a strong confirmation from your moving average and also your alligator heading upwards. And look at it here. The market is in what is in a low volatility at this level, and you have just confirmed a crossover of your 21 exponential moving average on the main chart, which that is what validates the main entry scenario for you to take this trade. This is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. So here are the main conditions for this strategy. You can go and backtest this strategy on demo before you go live. If you have any questions on this strategy, you can be able to ask me. Let me give you the recap of the main settings for this strategy for the last time. Here are the settings. You see number one, on the main window indicator, we have only 21 moving average with the following settings. You can screenshot it. We also have moving average in the window indicator 1 with the following settings. You can screenshot it. We also have average to range in the window indicator 1 with the following settings. You can screenshot it. We also have alligator with the following settings. You can screenshot it as well. And also we have the relative strength index. So please, if you are a beginner trader and you have any problem trading this strategy, kindly DM me or chat me off. You can easily talk to me on my Telegram channel or directly through my website, traderaforex.com. This is our special website that you can be able to chat me up so that you can be able to have some things to discuss. We also use this website to create some awesome trading mentorship program. We have trading signals that you can subscribe. You can also try our free signals 1 month free subscription, which will be my next video. So this is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. For those that buy the Magic Bomb strategy, you can easily access the awesome strategy directly from my website. See, this is the strategy. You can be able to access it and get the full license. You can chat me on WhatsApp, Telegram, YouTube, or Pinterest. This is Boom and Crash Forex Academy. Nice to have you here. See you in my next video. Bye.